Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a tourist visa to travel to Saint Barthélemy, which is also called Saint Barth in general words. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply any kind of visa to any country, it's very important that first you should check whether you need a visa, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, or even based on the combination of other visas that you have, you may or may not need a visa. Okay. So as this is an overseas territory of France, we are gonna check this on the website of France Wizard, official wizard. So I'm gonna put some sample. I put nationality Indian. Hey, just sample guys. Are you married to a French national? I select no. Do you join or travel with a family member from an EU country? Yes, I select no. Place of submission. Let's say you're gonna submit in India. Visa type. Let's say you're going for short stay. Main destination offset. This is very important. So I'm gonna I'm gonna select send Barth here. Okay. Your travel document. I select ordinary passport. I click on search. Your plans. Tourism. Main purpose. Search. Okay, so we got like the fee is gonna be this, and as an Indian national, we need a visa. Okay, now the supporting documents, what are the things you need? Travel document issued less than 10 years ago, means like valid passport. Okay, ID photograph, purpose of stay, document, socioeconomic situation, funds, accommodation, we are gonna set health insurance of 30,000 euros. We just click on back. Where it says you need visa unless there's some exceptions given to. So you can read through that. If you fall under these exceptions, then you don't need to worry about. Of course, there could be the requirement, but if you don't, then you need a visa based on the information that you have put in. Okay. Now we'll click on submit online application. So we are going to submit the application here. So if you have come here for the very first time, you're going to click on create an account where it gets your basic details and sends you a link to the email which you need to click and verify your account. Otherwise, if you have an account, you can go from here. So because I have already gone through that process, I'm gonna do it here. Okay, so here after login, we click on create a new application. So now again, the wizard will continue. I mean, it will be for you to answer once more. Due to want to join family from EU country, okay. Use the place of submission. So basically, it's gonna recheck that you are doing it correctly. City of submission. So in this example, I select New Delhi. Visa type, I selected short stay. Main destination of stay, this is very important. Your travel document number, sorry, ordinary part type, number, whichever it is, date of issue. Do it as per your case, guys. All the details here are sample and not real. Date of expiry. I'm just putting sample. Your plans. So again, I click on verify and it says you need visa and exceptions given again. And whatever details you enter, guys, verify it 2 times, not just once, 2 times. because it's very important. Many people do small mistakes and then later struggle a lot. Your information, gender, marital status, your last name at birth if different, obligatory first name if they exist. So as I said, verify 2 times, not just one. Date of birth, see the format they have given and make sure to enter as per your passport to avoid any issues. Place of birth, let's say I say New Delhi, country or territory of birth, current nationality, national identity number, whatever is applicable in your case, just do that. Nationality at birth if different, so depending upon your case. Now it asks for your address. I'm gonna put some sample, but you do proper address, okay? Postal code, city. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. Telephone number. So a lot of fields are not mandatory, but like if you have nothing to hide, nothing to worry. Why would you hide, right? For example, your telephone number is not mandatory, but email account is. But I'll put for both. Do you live in a country other than the country of your current national identity? I select no. You are joining travel with a French national. You, okay, current job. Sector, name of employer. Provide proper information, guys. Address of your employer, of course, you know that. Who would not know this? Postal code, city, country, telephone number, email address. Next. Oh, probably too much. Haha. Your last visa. Have you ever had a Schengen visa within last 59 months, almost 5 years? I said no. Have your digital fingerprints, like if you have given biometrics with a previous application for a Schengen visa? I said no, but if you had, definitely click yes and provide any question answer that follows. Your stay. Planned date of arrival. Okay. I'm just assuming departures. Make sure you like it matches with what you have done in your application. You have said like you'll be going for less than 90 days. So you're gonna stay here 31 days. Number of entries, number of planned coming here, 0. Your plan of staying. Where will you stay? On a plan of staying. So it's tourism. In our case, next. Your contacts. Where you will host yourself. Select hotel. Address. Postal code. City. Telephone number. Of course, you have made the hotel reservation. You do have access to their phone, telephone, and other things, right? I'm just making sample, but you do proper. Funding myself. So how you gonna do fund? Whatever is applicable in your case. Now it has got the supporting documents that you need to carry at the time of your appointment, your passport, original photocopy. And this was given, if you remember, at the beginning of this video too. where they populated the checklist for you. So next, if you go, they will ask you for the biometric payment and other scheduling. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to follow with this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.